Dear student, now I explain the speed or characteristics of AC servo motor. Aim of this experiment is to conduct an experiment to draw the speed or characteristics of AC servo motor. Apparatus required: AC servo motor speed torque unit 1 number, multimeter 1 number, batch cord as required. Then circuit diagram. AC servo motor is nothing but two-phase induction motor. AC servo motor consists of two windings. One is reference winding, another one is control winding. Reference winding is a fixed voltage, that is 230 volt AC supply is given to the reference winding. Control winding voltage can be varied by varying the load potentiometer. Why the DC motor coupled to the AC servo motor? For calculating the torque purpose. The DC motor acts as a electric load to the AC servo motor. 12 volt DC supply is given to the DC motor. Then procedure. Now main switch, load control switch, AC servo motor supply switch all should be kept at minimum position, that is off position. There is no load at the time of starting. Load potentiometer and control winding voltage at minimum position. Now switch on the main supply. Then 230 volt AC power supply is given to the reference winding of the AC servo motor. The control winding voltage at minimum position. Now switch on the AC servo motor switch. Under no load condition, note down the speed of the servo motor and now you change the connection from reference winding to the control winding of the AC servo motor. Now we set the 100% of control winding voltage by using speed potentiometer, which is directly proportional to voltage. The speed will be indicated by the tachometer on the front panel. Now the servo motor starts rotating, but the load switch is in off position. Now you switch on the load switch. Now you vary the load potentiometer step by step. Note down the corresponding speed and armature current of the servo motor. Then the connections changed from control winding terminal to armature terminal of the DC motor. Now you vary the load step by step. Note down the corresponding back EMF, speed of the servo motor, armature current of the servo motor. This is one set of reading. Then repeat the steps 6 and 7 for 60%, 70% and 80% of rated control winding voltage. This experiment is completed until the rated current of the motor is reached. After completing this experiment, reduce the control winding voltage to 0, that is minimum position, and switch off the load switch and load potentiometer is kept in minimum position. Switch off the load switch and then switch off the main power supply switch. In this video link, you can click on this video link. The whole conduction of experiment will recorded. So now you have to click on this video link. The conduction of experiment will open. Dear student, now I explain the speed torque characteristics of AC servo motor. Aim to draw the speed torque characteristics of AC servo motor. Apparatus required. AC servo motor speed torque steady unit 1 number. So you click on this video link. The conduction of whole experiment is recorded. You can see. Then formula, how to calculate the torque, back EMF EB, armature current IA into 60 into 1.019 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 2 pi n. The torque unit is gram centimeter. The tabular column, all the readings should be tabulated in the tabular column. The tabular column consists of control winding voltage, speed, back EMF, armature current and torque. So first set of readings, 60% of control winding voltage is set and then corresponding speed, back EMF, armature current and then torque calculated and then tabulated. Then next 70% of control voltage is set in the multimeter. Then tabulated speed, back EMF, armature current, torque. Similarly 80% of the control winding voltage also. This is the model graph. Speed is taken along the x-axis, torque is taken along the y-axis. The shape of the curve for the different reading of control winding voltage. This is the actual graph. This actual graph is similar to our model graph only. Then result. The speed torque characteristics of AC servo motor experiment is conducted and its characteristics is obtained. The Viva question also is in this slide. What is mean by servo mechanism? How the AC servo motor is different from ordinary AC motor? What is mean by speed control in AC servo motor? What are the application of AC servo? These are the few Viva questions I put in this slide for your reference. Thank you students for watching this video.